Okay, it is February 14th, 2011. We're looking at a relatively clear sky. I'm going to point out to you 4 airplanes that are crossing the sky, leaving behind what are called condensation trails. We're looking at the horizon towards the setting sun. You'll see one that's heading towards the lamp post there. Now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to look up above again, and I'm going to sight up on another airplane. You're going to see a jet plane cross in front of me. This is a commercial jet flying out of O'Hare. But directly above me is another airplane. This is 4 airplanes now that I'm looking at that are leaving condensation trails. These are not chemical trails. These are planes that are flying way up there, and they're leaving condensation trails. These are not chemtrails. They don't leave these long streaks that follow out behind you, behind these airplanes. These are condensation trails. Now I want you to see something else here. I'm going to focus in on to the right here on a third airplane. As I look down, I'm going to go past the commercial plane that's passing in front of me. Here's my third airplane for this videotape. It's leaving a condensation trail. Now why is it on any other day, when we look up in the sky and we see these airplanes, they're leaving these long trails left behind the airplane? Now I'm going to bring down to the horizon again to another airplane, and I'm going to focus in on the top of that one. That one, can you see it in the center of the screen? This is the second airplane following behind the first airplane by that lamppost over the top of the bus. Notice it's just a little tiny streak in the sky. That is a condensation trail. That is not a chemical trail. So the contrail is when the airplane leaves behind a trail that is caused by, condensation of cold air around the jet exhaust. Now I'm going to go back up and I'm going to focus again up on this other airplane. This one is leaving a condensation plane. So I've pointed out to you 4 airplanes so far that are leaving condensation trails. Now on other days, why is it that they leave these long smoky trails? Why? Well, it's because they're dumping chemicals out of the back of the airplanes. That is a commercial jet flying up there, and he's doing a condensation trail. All right, notice that the trail is very short. It's moving, and the trail is very, very short. It's dissipating very quickly. It's not because the weather conditions are any different up there than they've ever been before, but he's just leaving his condensation trail. See the difference? That's the difference between a contrail and a chemical trail. I've just showed you 4 airplanes within a matter of seconds that are leaving condensation trails on a perfectly blue day. I'm David Dane. It's February 14th, 2011.